Is your iPhone battery draining much faster after updating to iOS 27? Here are a few fixes. Turn on low power mode. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Battery. Scroll down and click on Power mode. Turn on low power mode. Your iPhone will automatically reduce background activity and power consumption. It also limits visual effects, background app refresh, and other battery-intensive tasks. Reduce screen brightness. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Drag the brightness slider to a lower level. You can also swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Adjust the brightness slider from there. Keep your screen brightness only as high as you need. Enable dark mode. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Appearance. Select Dark under Appearance. You can also turn on dark mode from Control Center. On iPhones with OLED displays, darker pixels consume less power. This can help reduce battery usage throughout the day. Turn off background app refresh. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Look for the option Background App Refresh and click on it. Select Background App Refresh again. Change the option to Off. This prevents apps from constantly updating in the background. Limit location services. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Select Location Services. Scroll through your installed apps. Open apps that don't need constant location access. Change the permission to while using the app. Turn location access off for unnecessary apps. This reduces continuous GPS usage and saves battery. Enable optimized battery charging. Open the Settings app on your device. Click on the battery option. Scroll down and tap on Charging. Turn on the optimized battery charging toggle. Your iPhone will learn your daily charging routine over time. It delays charging above 80% until you're likely to use your iPhone. Disable Always On Display, supported models. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Select Always On Display. Turn off the Always On Display toggle. Your display will stay completely off when locked. This helps reduce unnecessary battery usage. Turn off keyboard haptic feedback. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll and look for the option Keyboard Feedback and click on it. Turn off the haptic toggle. Vibrations use more power than standard typing sounds. Reduce motion effects. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Select Motion. Turn on the Reduce Motion toggle. Your iPhone will use simpler animations and transition effects. Disable live activities. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode. Enter your phone passcode. Again, scroll down and look for the Live Activities option. Turn the feature off. This stops constant updates on the lock screen. Turn off auto downloads. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Select App Store from the list of apps. Turn off app downloads. Disable app updates if you prefer updating manually. This prevents automatic downloads in the background. These settings will fix the battery drain in your iPhone after the iOS 27 update.